Hello everyone. When we talk about the most prized food in Southeast Asia, especially here in Thailand, one name stands out: the king of fruits, the durian. But have you ever wondered where this delicious fruit come from? It's all start right here in the durian garden. A durian garden is just is usually found in the countryside where the weather is warm and raining. Farmers take care of this tree every day, like their own children. They would term them carefully and ensure the soil is nutrient rich. It takes many years for a durian tree to grow and the final produce fruit is a true labor of love. Many people love the durian's strong aroma and its creamy taste to some corn. In the garden, patience is key. Farmer waits for the perfect moment of ripeness before harvesting. Today, many gardens have opened their gates to tourists. You can walk among the trees, learn about the culture, and taste the freshest fruit straight from the source. It's an unforgettable experience. In conclusion, a durian garden is more than just a place to grow fruits. It is a symbol of hard work, local tradition, and dedication. Next time you enjoy a piece of durian, remember the efforts that went into it. Thank you and see you again next time.